Meaning of elliptic.
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 Elliptic. The term elliptic refers to the shape of an ellipse, which is a closed curve that resembles a stretched circle. In mathematics, the term is commonly used to describe certain types of equations and functions that have elliptic shapes. This includes elliptic curves, which are used in cryptography, and elliptic integrals, which arise in the study of motion and fields. Typically, these objects have properties such as symmetry and periodicity, and they often play important roles in areas such as geometry, physics, and number theory.